Chelsea. Chelsea. What have you been doing, Chelsea? What have you just been doing?
Dodging cars.
Where?
Out in the nature strip.
Nature what?
Nature strip.
Strip. Are you like on a high or something?
No.
Are you usually like this at night?
He ended up working with a group called Air America, CIA front. They secretly ran the entire war.
Somewhere in the room.
Charlie was bringing in heroin to finance the BC government shadow company. Went in, we burned the whole thing down. We killed everybody.
Where are you going?